Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Finelo refund policy review. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Finelo, Finelo does have a refund policy, but it's highly conditional. For weekly plan, you need to use the app for at least 3 days and complete 2 guide. For 4 weeks or 12 weeks plan, you need 7 days and 4 guides or 80% of modules completed. You can cancel anytime, but cancellation doesn't guarantee a refund for charges already processed. Many users also report difficulty actually receiving refund when meeting the criteria. The money back guarantee is buried in the fine print, so it's important to monitor your billing and track your usage carefully. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick app review, and comment if you want a step-by-step guide on how to request a refund with Finelo. And that's it.